If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add billable time to invoices in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar, and then click the Invoice link under the Customer's heading in the menu to open the Invoice window. Then select the name of the customer or project for whom you entered the billable time to invoice from the Customer dropdown. Then a Suggested Transactions pane appears at the right side of the Invoice window. This pane lists all billable time and expenses for the selected customer or project. Click the Add link in the desired billable time to add it to the invoice. Alternatively, to add all billable time and expense entered for the selected customer or project, click the Add All link in this pane to add all the items in this pane to the invoice. After adding the billable costs, then enter any other invoice information you need. Then click a Save button choice in the toolbar at the bottom of the invoice window to save it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.